Hey guys, I'm here on behalf of Expo TV. My first review I've joined about a day ago. For my first review I thought about reviewing my phone, which I currently own, and it's the BlackBerry 8100 Pearl. A couple of good features about this phone is that you have a web browser. You can scroll through the web, you can visit any part of the web. You know, it has a firewall, it has encryption, so you could get viruses on here. I'm not sure about that because I've not tested that out, and I'm not going to, for those of you curious. It has email, so it has up to, I believe, 8 different emails that you can own on this phone, so you can access all of them. I need to put that in my phone. You know, I have like 6 different emails for random things. The size of the phone, it's everything these days. You can have a big bulky phone with a lot of good content and features on it, but it can be a bad phone. For example, this phone, the BlackBerry, it lags a lot. This is one of the downsides of this phone, is the lagging. It lags, especially when I just try to switch a theme, which I constantly do because I get bored of one thing, looking at one picture all the time. I change the theme and it takes about 5 minutes for it to load. When this phone, it takes about 30 seconds. This phone is really small. It may be Motorola, it may be a shitty company, as a lot of you say, but man, this is a really fast phone compared to this one. And this is supposed to be a PDA phone. This is supposed to be a smartphone. Not so smart. Another one is that you can have your own custom applications on here. Now, a lot of people like custom applications. They don't want to have this, they can erase it. They want to have that, they can put it on there. Oh great, here goes the battery. Look at that, it's already low. Right there, it's dead. It's like 5%. Bad feature, dead battery. Like I said, now the bad features about this phone, like I said before, battery. It sucks, period. I do not know why. Maybe it's just my battery, you can buy another one, but the keyboard. People call it, I believe, the Quivery keyboard. I'm not sure how to pronounce this one. I call it the queer keyboard because it's definitely a queer. You have 2 letters per key, and some have 1 or some have none actually, and it's really a pain in the ass to get used to. It's actually like a real keyboard on your computer. It's the same exact thing except it's compressed, and it's a pain in the ass, just a pain in the ass. If you're gonna be text messaging with it, if you're getting a text messaging phone, not for you. The speaker is really shitty on this phone. It has good quality, of course, but it's really quiet. It does have a speaker in the back, and the speaker is quite big. It's that little black spot right there, that's the entire speaker. It's really big, but for some reason it's really crappy. I do not know why. Ask Rim. Rim, by the way, is the creator of this phone, of BlackBerry. Another downside of this phone is the fact that it lags a lot. For example, I would go to yahoo.com to check out my messenger, and I would then from there on go to DeviantArt, my profile, and when I do that, it would just lag right in the middle of the downloading of the page. And then let's say I don't have time for it, I have to go or something, and I turn it off, I exit it, it would just freeze. It would just have the little hourglass icon on here, and it would state that it's loading the current page, and it's still, even if you close the web browser, it'll still be lagging. What you have to do then is you have to actually take out your battery manually and reset your phone, hard reset on your phone. And that's the downsides of that. But overall, it's a really nice phone. Now compared to this phone, I would overall take this phone over this one, but that's just me because I like to have my compact and my performance on my phone. I forgot to mention that actually one of the great features about this phone is it has encryption on here. For those of you who do not know what encryptions are, it's a feature that does not allow hackers to get access into your phone. Now, that's a really nice feature for those of you who like to scroll the random space of internet and just check out the random pages. That's a really nice feature for you because there are a lot of viruses out there. So it's really nice. Plus it has a firewall, so definitely hackers are staying out. And I've actually tried this and it does work. There's a program out there, it's called the Super Bluetooth, which allows other phones to gain access into your phone through Bluetooth. Now this phone, it does not allow that because it has an encryption, it has a firewall on it, so it does not let them bypass through it. That's a really nice feature, so you are secure. Now overall, I would give this phone a 7 out of 10 because of the battery life. The battery life just kills it. It ruins it all. and the lagging is next after the battery life, because man, come on, who wants a phone that lags every 5 minutes when you do something on it, especially when you're trying to load a web page and it freezes on you? Come on, who wants that? That's just me. So overall 7 out of 10, but this is a really nice phone. I'm sorry that I didn't give you any tours of the phone because my battery's almost dead and I'd have to recharge it and redo this video again. But if you want to find out more about this phone, just message me and ask me for any features or anything that you want to know about the phone, and I'll try to make another video to your response. And I guess that will be it, but overall I give this phone a 7 out of 10. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I hope I'll make one next time. See you later.